It looks like a good, exciting drawing Midlands Wanderers. An exciting team. We watched them play during the course of the season as well. So they give us a good chance to play the early game on that Sunday and hopefully take the team into the final later on. But all in all, Midlands Wanderers, we know it's a ball-playing team and exciting youngsters, and they're willing to take risks, high reward team. So we'll have to be well prepared for that encounter. I feel it will be a good test for us. Remember, for us going into this tournament, it's more about setting our system, setting our formations, setting our game approach, our match plan, and any type of fixture that we play at this stage of the season. It gives us the same opportunity to practice that on the training pitch. So it's an ideal opportunity for us to go do the same thing that we have done against the Arrows or an AmaZulu team. We are very happy to be coming back and playing at home. Traveling over the past 3 seasons has really taken its toll on us, and we feel that playing at home, it could add another 10 to 12 points to our total number of points come end of the season. And at the same time, we also want to reward our supporters, make them happy, make them proud of us, and an ideal opportunity in this Premier's Cup here for them to come in the numbers and support us. Actually, we lost the Indaba to Pirates, and we lost Butuma also to Pirates, and we've replaced them with adequate replacements, exciting replacements. It will be announced later on this afternoon at our press conference. I know if we remember clearly, I think it will be a continuation of last season, because we are still in the phase of adaptation and progression, so the processes got to continue to take place. In terms of the training methods and the way we prepared the group, it will be exactly the same, because in terms of our progressive development and giving the players an adequate chance of competing this season, we'll have to continue and take it to another level.